wanting it soon and bad. Thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had. I'll take it apart.
Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're doing a little walk around on a 1988 convertible Camaro. This one here's got the 5.0 under the hood. Pretty nice clean Camaro here. We're going to be dropping the top, and shortly after this video we're going to do a test drive. So we're going to walk around this, check everything out, point out all the flaws I can find, put the top down, give you some undercarriage shots, and a separate video there will be a test drive. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day of all these classic cars. You can check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information. All of our inventory is updated every Monday. And the music at the beginning, I did create that. That's another channel. Go and join that if you like it. It's called Southgate Production. I'll put a link up in the top right corner of the screen. We're gonna get started here. I went ahead and open the hood. Got the trunk open so I'm not flipping the camera around, fumbling keys. Start up here in the front, look for any kind of chips, scratches, rust, anything you might need to know about before you get here. I noticed there's a little bit of spider webbing going on right where the headlights are. Coming around the front end here. It's in pretty good shape. This side's not doing it. Did pick up some dirt from the parking lot, but it's still nice. Paint's a little thin there on the corner. This top is in great condition. So is the interior on this. We'll be getting to that in a moment. Look, like the stripes are kind of peeling up here. But down the side, got a crack in the paint there. Like I said, that top looks nice. Looks fairly new. Gas caps. A little bit of a gap there. Stickers peeling. A light scratch that can be buffed out is right there. On this back corner we got some scratches. And a little bit of spider webbing popping up on the middle of the bumper. Dual exhaust out the back. Flowmasters on the tip. Little stain down there from the jack. Weather stripping looks pretty good in the trunk. Missing some paneling on this side. Let's go ahead and shut this thing down. Not 100% sure why it's not latching. A little hard to latch on this one. Probably out of adjustment. Try it one more time. There we go. Just give her a good slam. I was being gentle. Little scratch here and an indentation in the paint. Tires are in great shape on this one. They look fairly new. Weather stripping is missing on this corner. And up here, it is tore up.
Now you know a guy gets the tires back for you.
That's another guy in the office there. You have to go talk to him. I'm gonna be a little while doing this.
Is it okay if I leave my car right there for a minute?
Yeah, you're fine.
What's his name?
Jim Jennings.
Jimmy?
All right, guys, I've decided I'm gonna start hiding from people. Definitely going to be leaving the lot from now on. Try to remember where we left off. I think we were right in this area, so we're gonna start checking everything out again. There's a scratch right here on the fender. That should come off. Doesn't feel that deep. Okay, I think we've made it all the way around here. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. We're gonna get the top dropped before the test drive, that's for sure. Looks like we're missing some weather stripping there too. So that's gonna have to be replaced. All right, checking the interior out. Seat's in great condition. Seatbelt doesn't look too good. That top's been replaced. Grant steering wheel, B&M shifter. It's showing 96,000 miles on the dash. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the door. Checking the bottom of the door here. Good. Carpet is not in the best shape, could be better. It's definitely stained and dirty looking. Something you need to change out on this one. Hopping off in the car. Go ahead and start it up. Oh, I thought we were gonna shut the door here. Let's see if the AC works. Definitely drug down on the motor. Okay. RPMs are not correct. That is definitely not correct. It's more like 1,000, 1,500. Temp gauge is not correct. It's going to need a new one of those. Gas gauge is probably correct. It's at a quarter tank. Batteries showing correct. Let's see. Windshield wipers, they do work. Radio. Yeah, it's cutting on. AC is not getting cold. It's blowing hard, not getting cold. Let's see what's up with that. It's just not hooked up properly. AC's gonna need some work. Need some hydraulics. These hydraulics here are bad. We got a stick that I use for the video. I'll just leave it with this car. Motor's nice and quiet. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a undercarriage check here. We're gonna look up under the front, driver's side, rear, and passenger side. This one's very low to the ground, so hopefully I got some good shots. Otherwise, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, finance options, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And if you like this video, hit subscribe. We're getting ready to take it down the road, see how it runs and drives, so be looking for that. The last 30 seconds of every video, I add those clips, so you could be on a test drive watching that, and then want to see the rest of the car, and wait till the last 30 seconds. It should pop up. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely subscribe to this channel and my music channel if you like it. Y'all have a good one.